How to log into Udemy account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to log into your Udemy account. So let's just get started. So first, you can open up your browser and go to udemy.com, or you can also launch the Udemy app if you're on a mobile. Once launched, you can look up for the login button in this app. Just wait for the home screen to be loaded. And you can easily find an option called sign in and browse. So we're doing it within the app, so tap on sign in. Once here, you'll be finding this section. So in order to log in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address or your phone number associated with your Udemy account and then your password. You can just go ahead and type in your email first. And once you have entered up your credentials, you can simply tap on login button and you should be all set. If you can't remember your password, don't worry, you can just click on forgot password and follow the prompts to reset it via email. And after logging in, you'll be having access to all of your courses and account settings, and that is it. That is it. You have successfully logged in into your Udemy account. So if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips, and thanks for watching.